and we're going to do some simple drawings today. I love Halloween. Do you? We're going to be doing some Halloween drawings today. Let's go! To draw a pumpkin, you need 2 semicircles and then you put them together. And we're going to be using the colour orange. Let's draw it. One side and 2 sides. I think we're missing something. A green stalk. Green. And it's going to be rectangle like this. Let's do it. Put the colour back in and get the colour green. Let's do a rectangle stalk. We did it! Well done! That was easy for you and me. Now we're going to draw a black spider. Let's get the colour black. I've got the colour black. Let's draw a circle like this for the head. You did it! But they've got 8 legs, so we're going to put 4 on each side. If we split them into half, let's put 4 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 legs. You did it. 4 on each side. Make 8. Are you feeling happy? I thought so. Let's do a smiley face of the spider for your feelings. The spiders feel happy. Well done, you did it. You made the spider happy. Next, we're going to do a witch's hat. And we're going to do purple. Purple. Should we go and get the colour purple? Let's go. I've got the colour purple. Let's draw. So first, we're going to do like that. But we're going to leave a gap in the middle. Like this. But in between we're going to do a triangle. You're going to go up pointy and down pointy. Like that. You did it. Well done. Now the hat is going to laugh. Well done. You did it. Now we're going to do a ghost. Ooh. Let's draw a ghost with black. Because I haven't got white and the board white. So let's get black. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a hill. Like we're walking up a steep hill. So let's do a steep hill. Oh, do you know zigzags like this? We're going to do that like squiggly lines. Let's do it. You did it. Are you feeling happy or spooky? I think spooky. Let's do some big round black eyes. And we do a smiley face. And for spooky. Very spooky one. But well done for drawing it with me. It looks so happy for you. Well done. Thumbs up. Hope you had fun drawing these Halloween pictures of me. Spooky Halloween pictures of me. I really enjoyed it too. But if you want to see more videos by me, check out Minsky. Bye!